Hello, hello, hello. All right, let's see. So, I think I should lower. I don't know if the music is too much. It's kind of good music though. Cool. So I have already installed the Debian Podman container. So what I'm going to do now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to install VS Codium. Let me have a look. VS Codium. Well, actually, I'm gonna APK add. It would be really cool if I had like a lightweight browser. Not in the right place now. APK add Firefox. Guess that will do. It's just so heavy. Firefox to download. Anyways, meanwhile that is happening, I will download VS Codium. Okay, so I'm gonna do, let's go to that directory and let's get that Codium Debian file. Then I can just install it inside of my Debian container. Install Codium. No, install recommends. Let's see. Oops. Oh, I have to update the apt package manager. Alright, that's gonna be 537 megabytes of data. Alright, but the main thing that I wanted to test is if I can get 3D acceleration. So, is Firefox installed? Yes. Let's just run it. First things to browse the internet is, of course, uBlock Origin. Oh, no, it's not Chrome. uBlock Origin Firefox. Just otherwise. too many ads. Go. So what I want to find out. I read this website. Where yeah, let's install that. Mesa util safety installed me. What? Kidding me? No. No install and 150 megabytes. Okay. And I just want to get that. So I can also do that from. I can do SIUDO. Let's just find out where this package is. Alpine Linux. Look. Contents. Have a look at that. Where's that gonna be? Is that finished installing? Because that's SIUDIL. Yeah, what did I install? APK add SIUtils. Oh, it's a brand edge. Deal 3.15. Maybe that package is not available on 3. Should be. It's like. Anyways, let's just test that out. Inside of the container. Yeah, that doesn't seem to be working inside of the container. Would explain the failures that I'm having. Oh, it's called Mesa Demo, that version. Let's install it directly in Alpine. Then I can test it out. It at least works in the host without running. Let's copy that. Okay, so this is inside of Alpine. Hey, it's not working. So maybe I have to install where I think. Let's look for APK info. Video. APK, no, I'm searching for that package. So there must be one for VMware. Here, yeah. So I'm gonna add that one. 6 video. Could it could just be that I'm using Sorg instead of Wayland and VMware. That just basically doesn't allow to 3D acceleration. Let's see. Missing some Icad. Some video drivers or something for Virtualbox. Let's see. Let's add this drivers. Let's add this one. That's the VMware Mesa driver. Okay, I'm just gonna reboot now, just in case. It's just a matter of restarting Sorg, reloading the drivers. Let's see. What happened? I'm just gonna force a reboot. Reboot. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I am logging in. I should enable some stuff at login. Oh. Okay. Just have to enable some stuff at boot time. It's Virtualbox guests editions. So now I'm gonna start those. Service C groups start. So C groups is necessary for Podman. Virtualbox guests editions. The Virtualbox guest editions is just easier for clipboard and that kind of stuff in Virtualbox. So I'm starting now DWM, which is rough. How is it? Windows Manager. Then I just enabled Virtualbox client to use magic tricks with the the virtual card. So, oh, it's looking nicer now. I just copied the commands to the chat. My mistake. Okay, so I will now. Let's open then Firefox. So again, What we were doing was this. Okay. There you go. Let's see if that is working. Yeah, okay, so this is now 3D acceleration. Yeah, okay. Let's start the container with VSCode on it. And let's do the same thing there. Right. So that's looking good. Okay, so apparently probably need well, it's just failing to retrieve device information, but it has direct rendering true, so might be just because it's inside of the container. So if I just, so I should have installed Codium, yeah? No. I have to run it as no sandbox because I'm running the container in root mode. It doesn't really matter as it's just inside of the container, so it doesn't access my host system. Then I have to specify a data directory. So I'm just gonna say instead of the root, Codium, VSCode, Codium data. There you go. Let's try to run that. So it's running as expected. So, you know, I had gotten to this point before. However, the thing that was failing was if I tried to resize this window, it was just Visual Studio Code will just crash because I think it was using CPU rendering. So the rendering was too slow. So let's try resizing this window. So I'm gonna send it to one of these desktops. We have 1 to 9. So 9 I have the Firefox. So I'm gonna send it to number 2. And then I am going to try and resize this window. Oh, there you go. Resizing is working well. I guess that's all I needed. Nice, 3D acceleration. So now I can try to install some plugins. Still have Python installed. apt install. Yes, let's install Python. And I'm going to install then the extension. Same time. Alright, so should have Python. Then if I go to new terminal, I say Python. Yes, there's Python installed. Then if I start a new file, Python, hello world, Python. Yes, put it in here. And then I say print. Hello world. Yeah, highlighting is working well. Yep. That's cool. Nice. Can I run this file? Cool, okay. So I guess that kind of ends the experiment. Let's see. It works. That's good. It's documented. Well, actually, I don't know exactly what works. So if I go to my terminal, then I say history. Oh man, set xkv map. I just need British keyboard map. And then I'll do history less. So what did I do? Around the container wasn't working. Then I added this, wasn't working here. Then I added this. Then I added this. Then I added this. Which of those was actually the one that worked? I could just uninstall those and check. When does it start? When does the 3D acceleration stop working? I could probably go just back. I think when I installed the video VMware, it wasn't working, but I didn't reboot. So probably, yeah. So I'm just gonna uninstall this, reboot, see if I still have 3D acceleration. And then I can write like a Docker file of just a script that allows me to do all of this again. So I will APK. Okay, so obviously I might have some stuff running 3D acceleration. That might just exit from this. Now let's just install APK. Let's delete those drivers. Yeah, I will then get out of here. Well, actually, when I tried to reboot last time, it didn't work out. Let's reboot now. Let's see. Cool. Let's go in. Let's start again. Serving. Okay, so now let's try to copy paste that command again. Let's see. Yup, I think that last driver was the one that did it. So if I execute that command again, so I'm going to add those drivers. And I'm going to delete 3. I'm going to delete this one that I installed. Install that, uninstall that. Oh, Mesa Demos needs that EGL. Okay. Okay, so apparently that one is needed as well. So now that I installed the driver again, let's see if that's working. Not working. So let's get out of the display manager. Oh wow. APK, so I don't know if Virtualbox guest additions are working. Aux grep Virtualbox. Yeah, it's not running, but maybe the service already resizes windows and stuff. Oops, what's this? So if I just copy something from my PC, yeah, it's not copied, so it's not working. Copy client. Right. Okay. So now let's test DLX info. Yeah, so we have direct rendering now. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna uninstall. Install that XF86. Yeah. And I will just get out again and get in again the window manager. Yeah, it's taking a long time, so I'm guessing maybe it doesn't have acceleration or something. Or we actually do need that FX86 stuff. Yeah, I think I could get in, so I'm going to add APK I know I haven't installed, I just want to see how much memory that thing occupies. Okay. 86 video VMware. Well, it's only a couple megabytes. Well, no, it's 7 megabytes. It's not too bad. Starks. Let's start the window manager again. Yeah, there you go. Clipboard. There you go. Ah, nice. Alright, so I guess that kind of concludes this experiment. I think I'm gonna leave it until here for that experiment. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it until here, but then I'm gonna do something more interesting. I think I will move into trying to do a TLS implementation, like the most minimal TLS implementation that I could do in the Zig programming language. Now that I have VS Code working here, maybe I can just do it here. pk add and cdu. So the installation size is 1.8 gigabytes. Yeah, Firefox is taking 200 megabytes of that installation, and the rest is taken by that container. Maybe I can delete some stuff from it. Well, I can just delete the whole container. VS Code deb. Then I'll just create it again. Okay, and then I just say, let's remove that file. Apt install Codium. No, install recommends. So it should only take 500 megabytes of memory to, well, not of memory, of this space to install VS Code. Then I'll install Zig programming language. Let's have a look. Cool. Yep, so I'm gonna do Codium, no sandbox, root, level. Then I'll add here Codium data. Oh, what did I do? Did I do wrong? No. Oh, I have to put the user data directory. What? So I am missing. Yeah, I think I've seen this before. It's missing one library. That should do it. Yes. So let's get it to screen number 2. And let's do again some resizing. That looks fine. Okay. There you go. Well, you know, let's just... Yeah, so I guess that makes this video successful. I'm just gonna cut it off here, and I'm gonna start a new one where I start my TLS library implementation.